So hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to make 70% ethanol. So before you start, you have to calculate how much ethanol you have to use to make your desired volume. So in this example I decided to fill up this bottle and I want to have 500 milliliters of 70% ethanol. So it's actually quite easy. The only thing you have to do is you have to multiply 70 by your desired volume and then divide it by your stock concentration. And the stock concentration is 96%. And if we do this, we get out 364.6 milliliters of ethanol, and then we dilute it with 135.4 milliliters of H2O. So I've already prepared it. So here we have the water and here we have the ethanol. The only thing you have to do is to pour it into the bottle. The water. Close it. Shake it a little bit. And we are done.